What's up, y'all? DJ Babu.
What's up, guys? DJ Melo-D.
Here to talk to you today about a mixing technique that we'd like to call KickPops. We're not sure what other people call it, but that's what we call it here at the Beat Junkie Institute of Sound. And it's a really awesome technique that has a lot of great applications, whether you're in a battle, doing some extreme showcase type DJing, or maybe you're even just at the club and you want to add a little flavor to your sets. It's a great technique. So there's 3 different meters we like to show. We like to show it at a quarter note, an eighth note, and a 16th. And we've got 2 copies of a break beat up here. And it's just a continuous 4-bar loop. You might know the drums, but Melo's gonna demonstrate. We're gonna go through each of the meters. And something to note is this technique is, dependent on you having 2 copies of a record. I suggest using a beat similar to ours that is about 90-ish BPM, 4 on the floor, strong downbeat, big kick snares and hi-hats. And this technique should work really well for anything having those kind of elements. Also, it's going to be dependent on you doing precise release scratches. If you don't know about the release scratch, look in the link below, do your research. But let's start demonstrating. We're going to start with the quarter note kick pop. As you can see here, Melo is performing a quarter note kick pop. What is important to note is that he is releasing a kick and the following hat. All right, now, so let's talk eighth note kick pops. Building on where we left off with the quarter note, now let's pick it up a bit. And now, when we say eighth note, not only is it happening in a different place within the phrase, but it's also happening with a little bit of a quicker timing. Now, every time we flip the fader, it's going to be moved a little swifter at an eighth note. As you can see, Melo demonstrating the eighth note kick pop technique here. Note now he is only releasing a single kick. He is not releasing the kick in the hat as we did in the quarter note kick pop technique. Eighth note kick pops. So now let's talk 16th note kick pops. Building on where we left off with the eighth note, all the same rules apply, but now we're dealing with 16th. So now our fader movements get a little shorter, a little quicker. We're not really releasing a whole kick as much as we are almost releasing almost just a half of a kick now. So now this movement's going to be happening a lot more rapidly. Let's watch Melo demonstrate 16th note kick pops. So check it out as Melo demonstrates the 16th note kick pop technique. It's very important now to be precise with your releases. Now that you're doing things this much quicker, having a nice tight release and being clean on your fader is going to make a world of difference in executing this technique. Getting in between the different meters of kick pops with Melo-D and Babu, BeatJunkies.tv.